Come test drive 2021 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, bucket seats, compass, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, front license plate bracket, tinted glass, power sliding rear window, black door handles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.